How to create an Instagram account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can create an Instagram account. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. First step, locate your Instagram app and then open it up. Then after you're on the login page, you'll find the create an account button right here on the bottom. Tap on it. From here, choose a username. So choose a username that's unique and then tap on next. After you do that, you'll now need to create a password. So type in a password and then tap on next. After you do that, add in an email address. So add an email address here. After you add email address, tap on next. A login code will be sent to that very email. Head over to your mail and then check for the email. Type the login code here. Then tap on next. Then your sign up will be complete. Tap on complete sign up and your account will be registered, and then you can start using your account. And it's pretty simple. It's just that it. Now after your account's been created, you can then follow people that you know. You can start posting different photos and videos. You can start making reels and many more. So let's just skip all of these. So there we go, you have just created your Instagram account. Thanks for watching. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.